everybody, how are you? I am Miss Nour from English Planet with Nour, and today we're gonna discuss Connect Plus 4, Unit 4, Urban and Rural Places. Are you ready to form questions and answers using the present simple tense? Can I ask you, where do you live? This question, it's made in the present simple tense, and we have the auxiliary verb do and the infinitive verb live. And we need to talk about ourselves. If you find you, it's changed into the pronoun I. So you have to start your answer with I and then cancel the auxiliary do and write the infinitive form of the verb, of the action verb, live. I live in Cairo. How to make a question using the auxiliary verb. If you find an answer starts with yes or no, so you have to look at the auxiliary verb and start with it. Like in this example, no, it's sparsely populated. Here we have the auxiliary verb is, so we have to start with it. And after the auxiliary verb, we have to add the pronoun. We have the pronoun it in that answer. And then the opposite word of the word sparsely, densely populated. So the question will be, is it densely populated? What services are there? Here we have are there, so we have to start with there are some, and you have to add all places are found in your city or urban area. Like there are some services like hospitals, schools, police stations. What do you do after school? This question is formed in the present form. We have the auxiliary do and the main verb do. And we have the subject you, which is converted into I. So you have to give your answer and start your answer with I, then cancel the auxiliary verb and complete your answer. Again, I'm gonna give you the question and you have to give me the answer. What do you do after school? I do my homework. I do my homework before I sleep. Before I sleep refers to the time. Which question word we have to use with the time? When, and the auxiliary do, because here you're asking about yourself and we're gonna add the subject to, so we have to add the auxiliary do. When do you? If you look at the answer, you will find the main verb do. My is changed into your if you want to make a question. If you want to change it into my, so make sure that you are making an answer. Here you have a question and you need to give an answer. Why do you sleep early? You have to give a reason for sleeping early. Your answer will be, I sleep early to wake up early. Where did you go last week? This question is formed into the past tense. And we have the question word where, which is asking about the places. So you have to give a place in your answer. Like in this example or like in this answer, we have the auxiliary did and the main verb go. So go is changed into went. Talk about the thing that happened and finished in the past. I went to the farm last week. I went with my family. You have an answer and you need to make a question. With my family, this part of this answer is talking about the people. And which question word is used with the people? Who. The word went is an action verb that happened and finished in the past. So you have to give an auxiliary verb did, which happened in the past. Who did you go with? What did you see there? Did and see. The word see is an action verb and in the past is changed into saw. And you have to start the sentence with the subject I, then the verb in the past. I saw. And give your answer. What is a question word that's used to ask about things or animals? So you have to give your answer. I saw some sheep, geese, and buffaloes. This is the end of our episode. If you want to learn about the grammatical rules for Unit 4 Connect Plus Grade 4, follow me to the next video. Bye bye.